Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the useful extensions of Vscode. So right now I'm in Vscode and I have already installed the extensions that is in my computer. So the first one is auto impact. It's automatically find, parse and provides codes, actions and code completion for all availables. And you just read these details and it's really useful. The next one is Babel JavaScript, and Babel JavaScript is also a Vscode syntax highlighting for today's JavaScript, and it's so important. The next one is Beautify. Beautify is for beautify your code in a place for Vscode, and you can see also the rating. It's too much, and it's really cool, and your code will be so much beautiful and coloring, so I recommend this for you. The next one is block-snippets. Block-snippets commands configure snaps. This also is really important for block snaps. Next one is ESLint. ESLint integrates ESLint's JavaScript into VSCode. The next one is Hello World. Okay, I'm jumping to the next one. JavaScript ES6 snaps. Okay, the next one is JSHand, and it's integrated JSHand into VSCode, and it's really important, and just read this one. That's why I'm just recording so fast. The next one is Jupyter, because I'm using this one, and Jupyter for Visual Studio Code, and it's also part of this one. The next one is Live Server. Live Server is for launching development local server with live reload features for static and dynamic pages. The next one is Node.js. Node.js module IntelliSense. It's related to NPM, and it's really important to install as extension in your Vscode. The next one is NX console. The next one is PHP Debug. The next one is PHP Debugger. Yeah. And the next one is PHP IntelliSense. The next one is a Prettier Code Formatter. It's for formatting your code and VS Code. The next one is Pylons for Python, and I'm using Python, so I need this extension, and Python for VS Code. And you also read the details and the rating, the stars, the other things. The next one is Sass. Sass is syntax highlighting, autocomplete and formatter. The next one is SQL Server, means SQL, and you can read the details, and this is also so much important for you. The next one is SQL Lite. Next one is terminal command keys, and it's assign terminal commands to a key binding. The next one is TypeScript Hero. Actually, I'm using sometimes Angular and TypeScript. It's required. And the next one is Venture for Vue.js, and actually Vue is awesome. If you are using Vue with Laravel, Vue in the front end and Laravel in back end. And the next one is Vscode icons, and this is really awesome, and it's all the icons like Vscode and professional and stylish. Next one is webpack. Webpack creates a minimal webpack config file with Babel transpiling ES6. So you need to read these details, and webpack is important to you. If you're using Yarn, I'm using sometime Yarn. I have already installed this extension. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe and like button.